Mother of Mary. Tip up! Tip up!
Fish.
It's a pickerel. It's a pickerel.
Nope. Can you get the tail?
No, you're gonna get him. I'm gonna get his nose. He's gonna come up the hole.
Can you get the
under the gill.
Force. Oh, it has teeth.
Here he comes. Here he comes. Grab him. Grab him. Grab him.
Oh, I'm trying.
Okay, let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go.
Yeah, give me that jaw.
Watch out. Watch out.
Yeah, get under.
I got it.
Yup. Oh, yeah. Good job, buddy. I couldn't. Closest you'll get to it, Tuna, here. And we slid into it, so it was legal. Legal slide. I have a. You need him?
Yeah, he got me. Jack didn't want to grab him, so I just grabbed him. My thumb got stuck in his mouth.
It's a nice pickerel. He's got a nice belly on him. Looks like he got a bluebill on his belly. Little picture? Look at him.
Yeah, kinda. Dude, I'm cheesing. Take a picture.
Nice, dude. Good stuff, buddy. Good stuff.
Because I pulled the flag. Did you see him?
Well, when I went to freaking get my hand in.
Get up in this John. I'm bringing my stuff over here. Forrest is coming. Forrest is staying there. Bro, we're fishing lay downs with super ultralight rods. 1 pound test here in northern Manitoba. Well, you are excited because you got me excited.
You marking anything?
No, not really. It's about to be a smoke show, dude. What? Be as close to the cover as possible. It's not gonna be my fault, just putting it out there. Not really, I'm at 6 feet. I got a little deeper. I'm next to a lay down. I'm kind of confident about this spot. Shut up, Jack. There's one. Yeah, I'm marking him.
Alright.
Yeah. Crappie. No, crappie. Quick, Forrest, pull up. We're on him. Oh, I'm gonna kill him.
Why are you gonna kill him?
No, it got caught in his gill. Yeah, no, he's not gonna live. Otherwise, I wouldn't keep him. I kind of ripped it out. I kind of feel bad, but it's a circle of life. Oh yeah, dude. No!
What happened?
Oh, he got caught in my deucer. All right, I gotta warm up my right hand. It's getting a little nipply. I just lost another one.
Hey, drill 2 more. Drill at least one more mouth side.
We can put the tip ups right here too. You put them up? Yeah. Oh, never mind then. Damn it. I caught the small one. That big mark's still there. Dude, I have so many fish on my screen right now.
I'm keeping my rod like this. I'm just trying.
Oh, dude, let's go! I don't have a hat on anymore.
My glasses on. Yeah, no, we took them off for a reason. Your glasses?
You don't want to put the fish back down right away because there's other fish down there. You're gonna spook the school. Yeah, okay. Let's go. It's a monster! Dude, you're huge! That would have been hilarious. Tip up, tip up, tip up, tip up, tip up! Wait, no, get a quick release, get a quick release, get a quick release. Let's go. Wait for it. Damn it, Skyler!
Oh, we gotta go. It's not, is it spinning? It's not, this ain't even spinning. Is it tight?
Oh, there's a fish. Yep. Dude. Oh, he swallowed it. This shit's gone. Skyler!
Hey, we got it.
Oh. Dude. Dude, it's a bluegill. Good technique! Good technique! Why have we not sat on this freaking lay down all day? Ooh! That's a big bluegill. No! Let's go! Huh?
Beautiful night with beautiful people. I eat it too. Okay, well, looks like we got ourselves an eating situation, and I'm bigger than you.
Actually, I know, I don't care. But if you like spill something on it, either tell me or
What if I spill my bottle of fluid?
Oh!
Fluid. Oh, dude, that's actually a solid bluegill.
I know.
Wish I had a big slab of meat right on my face.
Huh?
Well, I probably just killed it, you know, on impact.
Is that a transducer flip, I think? Why isn't that tip up gone off? That one flag right there is going off like 10 times.
I don't know.
Oh, I got one. Do we all have fish right now?
Yeah, that was kind of hot. What do you got there?
Oh, let's go! Not quite a keeper though.
You think that's what a show was like? Yeah.
Oh my. Suspended is.
Is it big? Might be a part.
Broke me off!
I was just gonna say, and you got one.
That was my last jig.
My Goliath grouper rod here would have handled
Shut up, Jack.
it. I'm gonna flip a Goliath grouper over my shoulder.
They don't want my spoon. Why don't they want my spoon? Holy shit, Forrest. Actually,
shit, man, you gotta pick through it.
this is exactly the one I just had on.
There's a lot of nice.
That's just the one I just had on.
Like for real, for real?
That is a great movie. You can call me Nighthawk. Put my nutsack on your drum set.
I love. Pow! Why does he keep doing that? Why is he just staring at me? Pow!
Pow!
Is that pow or is it? What do you say?
Pow!
How is it? Pow?
So get this, I'm coming out of the shower. Got my towel on. And she's eyeing me down. And she says to herself, I've had the old bull, now I want the young calf. And she grabs me by the wiener. Are you serious? Okay, slow. Okay, ready?
Tight, a bit tight.
Let's go! No. Jack says it's a keeper, it's not a keeper. It is now.
And we slid into it, so it was legal.